What's up, YouTube? Today is back to school for many of you students and teachers. But if you've already started school, I'm very sorry for you. However, I'm gonna help you out today by going through what got me through school. Okay, because most of my years of school, I was a hot mess. Minus the hot. I was just a bad, disastrous mess. And I lived and I learned, and by the end of it, I was fully prepared and I had a schedule. So today I'm going to share with you guys a hairstyling weekly schedule you could follow to make your life a hell of a lot easier, and the essentials of what is in my bag. So keep watching this video for some advice on how to survive the school year. Okay, so first things first, we're going to start off with hairstyles because nobody has time in the morning during the school year to do their hair. So I'm going to give you a schedule. Following this schedule will save you much time in styling and trying to figure out what to do to your hair. To start the week, not on Monday, but on Sunday, you're gonna wash your hair. You're going to braid your hair, or this also works doing a wash and go if your hair is naturally curly. If you have a center part, you can center part it. I like to zigzag part. On day 1 to 2 of your week, you can rock the braids. On day 2 to 4, you can rock the braid waves. And from day 3 to 5, if you want, you can just create easy styles. You can always, throw in a hair tie. Tuck it behind your ear. Wear half up. Wear 2 buns. Wear 1 bun. Wear no buns. Wear my buns. Huns? I just can't stop thinking about buns now. Now, your braids and these styles do not have to be perfect. The more you try to be perfect, the more stressed you become, which is a no, and then you look like you tried. Newsflash, nobody likes a tryhard. You can always spot the person trying too hard, doing too much, trying to be somebody else, but the beauty of beauty is looking effortless, like you woke up like this. Even though we all know you didn't wake up like this. Me. Especially on a Monday morning. Let's talk about Mondays for a second. Monday is like mope day. It's like you have to drag yourself out of bed. You can't see what the hell you're doing, and it's pretty much a miserable Monday almost all the time. Not for you. This is how you're gonna come out of the school year being a boss ass. Monday is the start of your week, so you should start it on a high note. Even though you're feeling like a hot mess, you don't want to look like a hot mess. You gotta fake it till you make it. That's how you get through 90% of things in life. So Mains by Mel is challenging you this year to make your Mondays your best days. Hopefully that's giving you guys some motivation, but here's some more tips that I wish to God I had or I knew when I started school. It's just something that I had to live and learn and add to my bag. So, what is in your bag? Here's what you need, okay? Books, you don't need those. Kidding. This is a #1 priority. Inside the bag, you have another bag. This bag is your secret weapon. This has every weapon you need to get through the week. Now you're gonna wanna carry about 10 different hair bands so you have options and so that you always have a backup. So always keep extras in your bag. You also may want to carry around some headbands to keep your hair back, or what I love as a headband is my favorite thing, sunglasses. Wearing your sunglasses inside the school is not cool. You don't want to wear them on your face, then you look like a douchebag. However, wearing them as a headband, okay, you don't want to wear these because they have these things. I've witnessed people with bald spots from that. Don't do it. Wear them as a headband and suddenly you don't have to worry about your hair in your face. You're also definitely gonna wanna carry extra gum, Polysporin, and put that shit on everything. A clip, a pick, extra deodorant, cause you stink. You never wanna ask, where's the chapstick? Keep chapstick on you at all times. Now ladies, I'm gonna get real with you. People get uncomfortable talking about hygiene, but you're gonna wanna carry an extra pair of undies just in case. And an extra pair of socks. Socks. Change your socks throughout the day if you can, because you're wearing the same pair of shoes all day. Hygiene, always. Even if it's not that time of the month, you always want to carry an extra one of these. If you have oily skin like me and you get grease throughout the day, I like to carry pressed powder. Another scrunchie, because you never know. You need to keep a nail file on you at all times. Keep a bunch of bobby pins on deck because you lose half of them. Extra clips just in case. And last but not least, and very importantly, dental floss. And that's it. That's everything I would have in my bag for backup. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below, what do you keep in your bag? What am I missing? Please help me and help everyone else out. We've all got to be there for each other. If we're not there, who is? Subscribe to Mains by Mel YouTube channel if you haven't already, because I update you guys with new videos every single Tuesday, and I will see you next week. Good luck at school. Back to school. Okay, not now.
Where's your thing?
Not now. And be around here. I don't know. Can you get the fuck away? What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm filming.
Second deal.
You also want to keep hand sanitizer on you because the school is infested. And that's about it. These are the things I would have in my bag.